The side similarity theorem says if two sides in one triangle are proportional to two sides in another triangle, and the included angle in the first triangle is congruent to the included angle in the second, then the two triangles are similar. So in other words, they show you right there which angles are in proportion. I mean, what sides are in proportion and what angles are congruent to get side angle side. So it says, for example 3, it says, are the two triangles similar, and how do you know? So then I know that angle Z and angle B are congruent because they're both 90. But then the question is BC and YZ in the same proportion to AB and XZ? So I'm going to set up my proportions here. So I'm going to say 15 over 10. Actually, let's go with the big triangle to the small triangle, or the small to the big. So let's say 10 and 15, their corresponding sides they have the same proportion as 24 to 36. Okay, and if you wanted to, you can cross multiply, or if you go, you know what, I just want to reduce this and see 10 and 15, I can divide both by 5, so that's going to give me 2/3. 24 and 36, I can divide both by 12, so that's going to give me 2/3. They are in proportion. So then I know by the side angle side theorem, because the sides are in proportion and that included angle are congruent, I know that triangle, let me write this out, I know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XZY. Okay, you got to be careful because it's easy to go, well, I got triangle ABC and XYZ, but you have to make sure that you get your correspondence correct. Okay, it says, notice with this example that we can find the third side of each triangle using the Pythagorean theorem. That's because it's a right triangle. If we were to find the third side, the ratio of these sides is 2 to 3.